Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.